All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing Flawless Soccer, guys. Good luck. PYT number 11. The second briefcase part of this is PYT number 12. We marked it down. That is in the store. Good luck. PYT number 11. U.S. servers crashed today? Yeah, that's what everybody was saying. They couldn't do anything with it. Clusterfuck what happened today over there. Conference rooms? Maybe if you can drive around and do it, I'll do it. Tomorrow. We'll see. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Teams up here. First up, we got 6 of 20. Soul of the game for Colombia. Freddie Montero. Colombia. That is Matt's Lemon. Soul of the game. Next, we got a duel. This one is numbered to 5. Stefan de Vrij. Look at that. Last team taken there. Netherlands. That is Mamba out. Tools of the trade. Stefan de Vrij. 2-color patch on top. Shoe at the bottom. 5 of 5. Catch them all. Next hit we got 4 of 25. Ivory Coast. Yaya Touré. Ivory Coast. That is Groobs with Ivory Coast. 4 of 25. 4 of 25. For USA, US of A, 10 of 25, Tim Howard. Tim Howard, 10 of 25. That is JT. Shoe auto. 10 of 25. Next we got 12 of 25 for England, John Terry. Not bad there for England, John Terry. That is Rob with England. John Terry. Nice one here for Barca. 2 of 25, Gerard Piqué. 2 of 25 for Barca. That is Jason. Jason and Barca, 2 of 25. Game use flares. Next we got, before the in case, 19 of 25 for Italy. Fabio Cannavaro. 19 of 25 for Italy. Italy is Simon, War Turtles. 19 of 25. All right, last 3 hits, guys. Good luck. Last 3 hits. We're going to start off with, we got for Bayern Munich, Captain Lothar Matthäus. Bayern Munich, that is Mamba out. 8 of 20. German. Bayern Munich. Lothar Matthäus. 8 of 20. Next, nice one. How about 9 of 10 for Italy? Andrea Pirlo. For Italy, that is Simon. 9 of 10. Nice one there, Simon. Pirlo. 9 of 10. And last hits of the briefcase. We got 24 of 25 for Real Madrid. For JT, James Rodriguez. James Rodriguez, 24 of 25 for JT. That was a briefcase. Appreciate it, guys. Congrats to those who hit. Hummus.